lost my right aileron. And it was going, and then all of a sudden, bam! I knew it was going to end up like this the moment they sent me the wrong body size.
It flew for a minute though.
It was doing pretty good, except my right aileron wasn't working.
That's crazy.
Holy crap!
No.
Wow! Look at the devastation! Oh yeah! That's what we want to see! Alright. Let's go rebuild it. At least the engine still works. The ESC, that, the receiver, and the batteries. They're all fine. Just the body. I wonder if she'll make light speed now.